Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can share functions inside the script tag of a Svelte component. So I'll go to Svelte and here I'll just clear out an H1 with hello world, and I'll create a second component. Let's call it hello.svelte, and here I'll have a script tag. So what you have to do is write context equals to module, and inside this function we can export that function. Let's call it log, and it takes the parameter n, and it just return n. And in this way you can use script functions in other Svelte components. Let's use script tag and just import the log function from hello.svelte, and here I will have h1 with log, and let's pass hello. So you can see that it's getting this function from this hello.svelte file. You just have to add context equals to module, and in this way you can share a function inside script tag in Svelte component. Thank you.